Hello. Magandang araw. Welcome to my channel. Ako nga pala si Mystico Moreno, or in short, Mismo. At dito sa aking channel, we will manifest love and light sa inyong Tagalog love reading ngayon na mismo. Okay, so ang gagawin natin ngayon ay ang quick energy check-in, the 8-minute reading, para ito sa lahat ng Taurus. Hello sa inyong lahat. So ang gagawin natin ay bubunot ako ng dalawang cards for the recent past and then dalawang cards for the near future. Tapos, dalawang cards ulit for the present. Alamin natin ano yung nangyari sa present that was affected by the recent past and what may affect the near future. Okay, tapos isang card from the Oracle, which will be the advice from the universe. Okay? So, gusto kong magpasalamat sa lahat ng Taurus na patuloy na sumusuporta sa Mystico Moreno channel. Thank you so much po. Please continue to support by liking this video, commenting below, and sa mga bago, subscribing to my channel para updated din kayo sa mga ipopost ko pang love readings. Okay, sige. Simulan na natin. Pagka the 6 card, dyan pa rin naman ngayon. First card, Justice, okay? And King of Cups for the recent past. Near future, oh, okay, 4 of Wands. And Ace of Coins, okay. So, in the recent past, there's some accountability na nangyari. And siguro nagkaroon kayo ng like conflict in the recent past as well. Pero inayos nyo yun. You and your partner decided to work it out. And mas napag-usapan siya, at dahil napag-usapan siya, nagkaroon din ng resolution, and that resolution allowed for a more balanced and harmonious relationship. And yun nga, parang nagkaroon ng accountability on both ends sa nangyari sa situation. And dahil dyan, nag-result ito into a more mature and secure relationship. Naging deeper din yung connection between you and your person after nyo ma-resolve itong issue na to. And mas nakatulong nga siya sa growth pa ng relationship. In the near future, it's even going to be better kasi with the 4 of Wands energy, it's a very lucky card. It's a card of celebration and milestone in your life. So magkakaroon ng level up or new phase and a new cycle, something better sa inyong relationship, and mas mag-invest pa kayo sa growth ng connection, sa growth ng relationship. Mas magmamaterialize then it would be a start of something new na parang matagal nyo na rin pinaplano together. Pero ano nga ba yung kaganapan at the present moment that was affected by the recent past energy, which is having accountability and more secure relationship towards this new milestone in your relationship. So, tingnan natin. Ooh, 10 of Coins. Ganda. Tama nga. Okay, a 3 of Wands. Nice. So, there's so much romance, and at the moment nga, in the recent past, nung naayos niyo yung mga kailangan yung ayusin, okay, mas nagkaroon ng, sabi ko, di ba, security and maturity and deeper connection between the two of you. So, mas, with the 10 of Coins energy, ito na, parang, nandun na kayo din sa point na, okay, this would be long-term. Naayos namin yung mga kailangan namin ayusin, na-resolve namin yung major conflict in our relationship. Alam namin na ma-resolve pa namin. Whatever mga conflict man, alam na namin kung anong kailangan gawin, which is proper communication and proper conflict resolution. And then, here with the 10 of Coins, it's really a card of stability, security, and yung energy of happily ever after ba. So, may ganung energy na niya nasa connection ninyong dalawa. Some more with the Three of Wands showing up here at the present moment. Currently nga din, ang dami yung mga activities din together as a couple. There's so much love. Parang na-reignite pa yung affection ninyo sa isa't isa because of what happened in the recent past. Yun nga, yung issue na na-resolve. Tapos alam nyo nga na parang, okay, kaya pala namin. Malalampasan pala namin. That's why, kaya yung energy din in the near future is leaning towards new milestone or level up in the in the connection. Yung relationship ninyo, magkakaroon ng new phase, something better, and something that you both are manifesting together as a couple. May mga goals kayo na, or may mga relationship goals kayo na gusto nyo mangyari na akala nyo in the recent past pa nung nagkaroon ng conflict hindi na mangyayari. Pero afterward na nalampasan ninyo, at the moment, sure na rin kayo sa isa't isa and very ready na rin kayo to move on to the next phase of the relationship. So, tingnan natin ano yung advice ni Universe sa inyo. Okay, and just to remind everyone that this is a collective and general love reading. So, it may or may not resonate with everyone. Take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Okay? So, what's the advice of the universe? Napakaganda na reading for you. The quick energy check-in para sa Taurus. Okay. Okay, confidence. Oh, tama. Ngayon, very confident na kayo sa isa't isa. Confident na kayo na malalampasan nyo lahat ng problema, ng issues. Confident na kayo na move kayo to the next level. And confident na kayo sa isa't isa kasi alam nyo na sinusuportahan nyo yung isa't isa. Confident kayo na magpatuloy kasi you trust each other now. Okay, more aside from you love each other kasi confident din naman kayo na mahal nyo ang isa't isa. Kaya nga ginawa nyo ng paraan na maayos yung connection ninyo. And sinasabi din ni Universe sa inyo na this confidence continue carrying it or having it sa relationship kahit sa next phase or next level na in the near future. Okay? So, ayan. Sana nakatulong itong reading na to sa inyo. Yun. Kita-kits na lang muli sa susunod ko pang love reading. Dito lang sa aking channel. Ako nga pala muli si Mystico Moreno. Or in short, mismo. Kita-kits. Ingat.